So this is Chris from Palatech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add an accordion to our site using the essential add-ons for Elementor plugin and the Elementor page builder. First, we need to go over to the left bar where it says plugin. We are going to click on add new, and on the widget search bar we are going to type Elementor add-ons. And this is the one we are going to use, the essential add-ons for Elementor. It will add some extra widgets around them, the Accordion plugin. So we are going So we are going to click on install now, and then we are going to click on activate. And now we are going to the name of the site and we are going to visit it. And on the top bar we are going to click on edit with Elementor. So here we are. Now we are going to scroll down to an open section like this one, and on the widget search bar we are going to type Accordion, and we are going to use the EA Advanced Accordion. So we are going to click with the left mouse button, hold, drag, and we are going to release it on the new section. So here we go. We have general settings, the type of the accordion, a toggle or an accordion. We are going to use the accordion, and we are going to enable the toggle icon, this one right here. We can disable it if we want, but I think it looks good, so we are going to use one. We can select one from the icon library, so we are going to use the angle right because I think it works quite well. So we have the toggle speed 300 milliseconds, so we are going to maybe make it a little bit more, 400. And we have the content setting. We have our tabs, which are these ones right here, so we can select it to be active as default. So we click on yes and it will be active, and we can enable the tab icon, which is this one, a plus symbol. We can change it in the icon library in the same manner. So we have the tab title, accordion tab title 1. We're going to change that to title 1, and we have the content type. We have saved templates and the content, which is a little bit of text. So we are going to modify it, and we are going to add content 1, and we can do so for the others tabs we have, or we can add a new one by clicking on the add item button. So we are going to move to the style, and we can add some padding, some margin, and add a border if we want, like that. So we are not going to use a border. We can add radius to the border if we are using it, evoke shadow, and the tab style. We can change the typography. The family is the theme by default. We can select the size and transform the text if we want a bit to an uppercase, add some style, decoration, and modify the line height and the letter space. So we can change the icon size like that, maybe 18 pixels. The gap between the icon and the title 15 is good, and we can add padding, margin, and we have the colors on the normal, which is gray, so we're going to use a green like this, and we can change the background type to a classic or gradient, or we can use an image if we want, and we can change the text color, so we are going to use a white, and we can add a border to it. And for the hover, we can select a white background and green text like this, so you have an inverse effect. And for the activate, like this one, which is activate, as you can see, we click and it turns black. It can be changed in the same manner, the background color, type, color of the text, and we can add some border to it if we want. We are going to leave it like that because it looks pretty good. So we are going to move to the content tab, and we can change it on the same manner. We can change the background, which is transparent, and in this case it will work, and we can change the color of the text to the same green we are using here, and typography, padding, margin, and border. So we're going to the toggle card style, and we can change, as you can see, the size of the icon, and we can change the color of the character. So we are going to use a white, and we can change for the active one, we can select a green to show the difference, as you can see, like this. Once we have made all the changes we want to our accordion, we need to save them. So we are going to the lower left, and we are going to click on the update button. So that's it. We have created a cool accordion that looks quite awesome in a quick and easy manner using the essential add-ons for Elementor plugin and the Elementor page builder. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.